Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I share with you this Ghanaian street snack in Kosua Meko or devil's eggs. This is simple and delicious recipe and you are going to love it. In a pot I'll go in with my 4 eggs. You can use any amount of eggs you want. Add some water, some salt and then put this on the fire. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. Now into my earthenware, I'll go in with my dry chili, some onion, garlic and salt. I will then grind this, and if you have your blender it can also do the work perfectly. Okay guys, so at this point our pepper sauce is ready, and checking on our eggs, this is after 10 to 15 minutes. The eggs are well cooked and I'll just take it off from the fire. Next, into a bowl I'll go in with some salt and a little bit of water. I'll mix it very well, and I'm going to use this salt solution to coat my egg. So this is how the sellers do it. They do it to prevent the eggs from going bad after days, but when you are doing this in the house, there is no need for you to do the salt solution. Guys, after peeling our egg, I went in with some of the pepper sauce and also some onions. This was so delicious and you will love it when you make this with just some few ingredients. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below, and how many can you take. Just look at this, our Kosua Meko recipe. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next one. Thank you. Bye.